This is a review of the WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera. We went ahead and mounted it on the windshield. You can see the box here. It came with detailed instructions as well as a tool to be able to help install the wiring through to the rear gate. In this case, we're installing it on a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. So we're going to include the area of the row bar as far as back to the lift gate in the back. Some additional features to the clear image in the 1080p rear camera is the GPS tracking all the time. In addition to the loop recording for safe driving, your car will still be in safe hands after it being parked, as there is a time-lapse mode that will continue to monitor at low power levels so that everything is recorded, even while you're away. I mounted the rear view camera on the back of the spare tire that's mounted on the rear of our vehicle. As you can see, it's nested in here. I will let you know that the double-sided tape is very powerful, so make sure once you mount it, that is where you want it to be. Also, very happy that the location as well as the visual that it gives us. You can see the rear very well. You can see the road conditions. You can see oncoming traffic. You can see traffic also coming up from the rear. Shown here is the dual view. You still have the single view option. I hope you enjoyed this review.